This is a review of the iRig mic cast. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's a microphone that plugs into the headphone jack on a phone to give you a better quality sound. Plugs into the headphone jack like that. Comes with a little stand to put your phone on. There's a little switch labeled low, high for low sensitivity and high sensitivity. High sensitivity meaning you're away from the microphone and you want it to pick up more, and low meaning you're close so it doesn't have to work as hard. Since the iRig cast is supposed to improve your sound, I figured I'd do an audio test comparison using the iRig cast and using the internal mic on my Nexus 4. First, the internal from a distance. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Then with the iRig mic cast. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Then the internal again, but closer. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. And with the iRig closer, and I'll switch it to low. The rain in Spain stays mainly on the plain.